Okay, today we're going to get lost in Oxygen 6 Builder. So we're gonna dive down into Oxygen 6 Builder and understand the interface a little bit. Um, okay, so let's begin. Welcome to your journey into the world of Oxygen 6 Builder. This powerful tool allows you to create beautiful and functional websites without needing extensive coding knowledge. Let's break down everything you need to know step by step. And honestly, I don't even know why I'm reading this because in this day and age, we got technology.
Understanding the interface. When you first open Oxygen 6, you'll see a clean interface designed for ease of use. Here are some key components. Main canvas. This is where you'll design your website visually. Structure panel. Located on the left side, it shows all elements, like headers, footers, in a hierarchical structure. Properties panel. On the right side, this panel allows you to customize each element's properties, such as size, color, and spacing. Top toolbar contains buttons for saving your work, previewing changes, and accessing settings. Key buttons explained. Save button. Always remember to save your progress frequently. Preview button. Check how your site looks in real time before publishing. Add plus button. Use this button to add new elements like text blocks or images. Differences from earlier versions. Oxygen 6 has introduced several enhancements over previous versions. Improved user interface with better navigation. Enhanced performance for faster loading times. More pre-built templates and components. Advanced features like Flexbox layouts for easier responsive designs. Creating essential components. Now, let's dive into creating essential sections of a web page. Hero section. A hero section typically contains an image or background with overlay text that grabs attention. Click on the +ed button, then select section. In the property.
Okay, so let's do that. We're gonna do this on a template. So we're gonna open Oxygen 6. We're gonna go to templates. I think I already have one started. Nope. Okay, add a template. No, actually, I'm gonna add a component. There it is. Edit. I think it's blank. Sure is. Okay, so we're gonna follow these directions. We're gonna click the plus sign or this plus sign. Here, let me turn on another plugin. Start new guide, delete previous guide. Yes. Okay. All right. So it's gonna be easier to follow now. Plus sign, structure panel, save, preview. I forgot what this is. Variables, selectors. Uh, I'm new to all this. I don't know what these do. Global settings, history, element studio. You know, undo, redo. Um, Desktop, tablet landscape, tablet portrait, phone landscape, phone portrait. Preview. This you could change what page or post or template you're working on. Component, hero. What happens if we click there? Okay, we could go to other components. Um, okay, so we'll click on the add button and we're gonna add a section. Search elements section right here. Just click on it. Now we have a section here. Yes, just one single section. Okay. We're gonna set a background to image. Okay, we just choose a random image. We'll do, it's a hero section. Let's go this one. Choose. Okay, there it is. Adjust the height to using minimum height. Adjust height. Height. Size. Height. Adjust the height. Fit content. No. Viewport. Nope. That's way too big. Custom. Minimum height. What do we set the minimum height to? It doesn't tell us. Okay, yeah, I don't know what minimum height I should go to. Just gonna leave it like that. Okay, anyway, so add a text element inside the section by clicking the plus button. Okay, so we're gonna go here, text element, we're gonna add it in there. Okay, now I guess that's why we want the minimum height here. Custom minimum height, we're gonna go 600. No, yeah, why not? Okay, now okay, we're gonna name this, this is a hero section component. Okay, so we're also gonna give it a class. I'll call this hero text. Yeah, I guess just that, hero text. Mm, we're gonna put it in the middle, going like that. We're gonna make this bigger. Typography. Size, we're gonna make it, let's see what 30 does. Yeah, I like 30. We're going to, what is this? Transform, letter spacing, right, left, text indent, direction. I have no clue what all this stuff is. Okay, but anyway, so that's that. Typography, color. Yeah, we're gonna add some color. Mm, okay, we're gonna color. Okay, what color stands out there for a component? I guess we'll just make it red for right now, but to make it stand out, we're going to make this gradient. It's an image, full size, lazy load, image settings, overlay, overlay color, type, gradient, shoes. Oh shit. Okay, no, we don't want that. Want an image. Okay, we don't want gradient no more. How do I overlay image? Okay, no overlay. Mm, all right, so maybe yes, overlay. Background color. Okay, that doesn't do anything. Um, image is there. Image settings. Size, repeat. Okay, no. It's overlay. Okay. Gradient, no. Okay, yeah, maybe. Okay, that makes sense right there. So let's go back up here to the text. Typography, we want different color. Want it blue. Something that sticks out. Okay, that's good enough for now. Mm, background, give it a background color. There you go. We want this a little bit down, I guess. We would go. We would go to the next to structure. Here, we want it centered. Okay, good. We're gonna give this section a name, a class. Section. We're gonna call it hero section. Okay. Now that looks pretty good to me. All right, let's see. Okay, well that's our hero section. You know, you could add more stuff to it. Um, could add a column. Put it right here. We're gonna put three things, and you know we could add, I guess, columns. They're there. We would go to breakdance elements. This is what we got. Analytics, WP event, comment form, comments list, content toggle, fancy container, header builder, post meta section. But in all honesty, I still don't know what to do with these. So I guess an icon box. We could put three icon boxes. That would be our hero section. You know, we could space this a little bit. So maybe not space, maybe margin. Yeah, so there you go. So, you know, how to create a hero section in Oxygen 6 Builder. Explained to, you know, as simple as possible. Because, yeah. So we're going to save that. And we'll call that good. So, thanks for watching. This is how to build a hero section in Oxygen 6 Builder Beta 2. I'll stop the recording.